The first thing that I do when I open a new program or install a new version of a program is to change the shortcuts in order to work faster and more efficient. So how to do it in AutoCAD super fast? Go to Manage. Here, press the edit over here, and I have my list with shortcuts that I've managed to build over time due to the experience. Select all by Ctrl and A and paste your shortcuts. Your custom made. Save the file, close, and then just type reinit, this one, and use PGP file OK. And now you can use your custom made shortcuts. I've organized mine so I can use my left hand more, and almost everything is sorted on my left hand as I do it when I was playing shooters when I was teenager. And the best thing is that you can transfer this way shortcuts from a previous version to AutoCAD to a new one, or vice versa. Enjoy drawing and see you in the next video. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you find something useful. If you enjoyed anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below and join us. We have some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of